Well, I'm 50, college educated, and white, so I'm pretty much qualified as an expert on anything. Here's a few things you should remember about how to keep yourself in the best shape as you get older. Now, I'm going to qualify that this isn't the physical health video. This is about how to keep yourself holistically healthy.
Okay, that's cool.
Number one, remember that flexibility is very important. Just finished saying that, not that. So quit it. This is all about learning new things, practicing the crosswords, doing random mental exercises. Importantly, learning new things. Go and take a class. When was the last time that you had tried to learn something from somebody else who was an expert on a subject? It's worth noting that there is actually evidence that just because you are getting older does not mean that you are actually losing your neural plasticity, which is to say your ability to think flexibly. You know what? I'll just post a link below. You should actually read up on that study yourself. Let me know what you think. Keep learning. Keeps your neurons firing on all cylinders. 2. Now, I've talked about this a lot, and it is exercise. Okay, so this time, that is what I mean. Literally, we want you to keep doing things. This means that your body stays intact. You are more capable of getting up and going about. If you groan every time you get out of a chair, you might have an issue. A person that lives a sedate lifestyle is going to struggle more as life goes on. And if you want to be thick, you gotta actually work it out. Yeah, slang. Slang and me don't really get along. It's still a middle-aged white guy here. Yep. 3, mind what you put into yourself.
Kinky.
No! Jeez, this one is hard.
That's what she said.
Okay, quit it. All right. What I mean is you don't just want to eat anything. You gotta get a lot of everything. That means getting your mix in. The fruits, the vegetables, meat, breads, cheeses, nuts, desserts, all of the things. Have a variety. Don't just lean into one thing. Yes, we all love pizza, but that doesn't mean it should be something you have 3 or 4 times a week. Eat all the things, and that includes the things you don't care for. If you don't like broccoli or beans or Brussels sprouts, there's got to be something without a B in there. It's just important to get good things in you.
That's what she...
No! You want to think long term here. You can look back on your parents and realistically know that's how you are going to look and think like. But you have control over that. There is no fate and you are not their clone. If you want changes, if you want your outcomes to be different, you have to invest in yourself the time and effort necessary to do things differently and end differently. Go out, learn new things, try out some of the things that you have learned, and eat something new in the places that you are visiting while trying the new things that you have learned about. That is how you will have a rich, healthy life and not wind up like your parents. I mean, unless you want to.